everyone, welcome to Most Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to show how to make banana cake. So let's get into the video. Thank you. Let's do the banana cake. So for thing I have one banana. It's like very soft, overripe. And first I'm gonna use some butter for cake, around 40 gram. 1.5 tablespoon, 40 gram butter. So 40 gram butter, and I'm gonna put around 40 gram of sugar, baking powder, half teaspoon, baking soda. It's like pinch of baking soda, around 2 gram. Milk, around 1.5 tablespoon, and one banana overripe. It's very soft. One egg. Vanilla extract, just like half teaspoon. Now I'm going to start to mix it. All the mixing is done. So what I do, I'm going to add half cup flour, all-purpose flour, around 125 gram. So this just put it like this. Just mixing now all the flour, everything. Make very smooth butter. So once batter is ready, so I just I go another tray is ready. I already put it up with the tray. Batter is almost ready now. Now I'm going to put into the tray for the cake. So let's put it on. So all the batter I put into the tray, you can see. So what I do, I'm just going to put in the oven 180 degree for 180 degree for around 30 minutes. Here we go, this cake is ready. So it took me like half an hour to 180 degree. So I just wait for 45 minutes to cool down, then I slice it up. Thank you for watching.